Welcome back to another tutorial. On today's video, we're going to be looking at how to connect your car to Wi-Fi. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is come up here to the little Wi-Fi symbol. Now in your car, it may be showing a data symbol similar to the cellular one on your phone. Either way, you just click on it. It's going to list the available networks around you. This is what it looks like when you're connected. You're simply going to connect that. This is my neighbors. You would tap on it. It's going to come up for your password. Very, very simple. Enter your password, hit confirm, and it'll look like that. And every time you pull up your house when you're within range, you'll be connected to the network. If you need to do something different, you can click on it, click on the network you're assigned to. You can forget the network, and that's how you turn it off. If ever you're having an issue and you need to remove it completely, you could turn Wi-Fi off entirely by clicking it right there. And you'll see then the symbol then changed back to the cellular symbol up there that we're all used to on our phones when we're away from our Wi-Fi network. We're going to leave mine on. It'll pop up here again. And again, I am now connected to it. So now, why is a Wi-Fi network important? Well, if you're trying to get software updates quickly and have your car ready to go for those updates, you want to make sure that your car is always kept on Wi-Fi when it's parked at your house. And if you live in an apartment or other place, you may have to do things like go out to your service center or somewhere else where you can have a network connection. It only takes about 30 minutes to download an update, so it's pretty quick. But if it's at home and you have if you're fortunate enough to have, a place to park it where, you are on Wi-Fi, then when that update comes out, you can just quickly tap it on your phone and it's going to update it right away. So you should always leave it on Wi-Fi if you have the ability to do that. But it's really simple to connect it. I hope that helped you guys out. See you on the next video.
Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't already, please take a second and like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more and more content. So here's what you can expect. Every week my goal is to put out 3 videos. The next one in the tutorial series, an autopilot driving challenge video, as well as a product review. So now I just want to thank my patrons. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for believing in me and supporting this channel. And if you're looking for some accessories for your Model 3 or your Model Y, just go down below in the description. I've got codes to all kinds of products down there to save you a bunch of money while you're tricking out your car. Thanks again. See you soon.